Hi folks, Michael back here at Countryside. We're going to talk about today's perennial of the week. This week we're going to talk about daylilies. Daylilies are nice plants, have to give you a bit of texture in your yard, kind of a grassy-like foliage, different from the broadleaf plants you might have in your yard. A lot of them are blooming this time of year. So one of the most popular ones you're going to see out in a lot of landscapes and corporate areas, very popular, is the Stella d'Oro. That's this variety here. It's a nice yellow flower on them. This is a pretty compact plant, doesn't get too tall, maybe 18-20 inches tall, kind of mounds out nice, puts up flowers for a pretty good long period of time, probably 6 weeks or so throughout the summer here. Very reliable, comes back, very hardy plant. Again, very common one that you can see around the place. They are daylilies. They're called daylilies because, of course, each flower only lasts a day, but they usually have a cluster of buds on each stem here. So each one will last a day and it'll drop off, and then the other ones will kind of pop off as they grow. So this is a great one to use in a landscape, nice and short and compact. We also have a lot of newer varieties that we have, different ones. This one here is called Early Bird Cardinal. So this one, they come in different colors. They come in different shades of reds and oranges. This one is another one that blooms, a pretty good long time, about 4 weeks or so in the landscape. Puts up these flower stalks. If you want to cut back the flower stalks, just this stalk itself, and leave the rest of the foliage up, that promotes a little bit more blooming. It'll maybe extend the bloom time a little bit for the plants. There's a couple new series that came out as well, which are really nice. There's the Happy Ever After series. So these guys, they've been bred to rebloom. So these ones bloom at least a good 2 months, even plus. They bloom from this time, from summer all the way through early fall a lot of times. Nice, again, come in different colors. This one's called Big Time Happy, and then there's other ones that are called Rosy Returns, Red Hot Returns. There's all different varieties that come back. They have a rebloom period throughout a good chunk of the late summer. Again, gives you a nice different texture to your landscapes. Easy to care plant, not a lot of maintenance with them. And then last there, we also have what's called the Trophy Taker series. They bred these to have nice, big, huge flowers on them. So look at these boys. These are good 5-6 inches across. Same kind of plant. These will bloom a long time, go about 6 weeks in your yard. It's a little more expensive, but they're worth it. A little taller plants, again, with nice bigger flowers on them. Nice and showy, come in all different colors, yellows, reds, oranges, pinks, just to give you a few. So we have a nice variety here, nice selection. This is a great time to come in and see how they're blooming here at the store, and they'll be blooming nice in your yard as well. Thanks for stopping by today. Have a good day.